Want to dive into the world of coding without spending a dime? You're in luck. We're exploring incredible resources that won't cost you a penny. We're diving deep into 3 fantastic platforms offering top-notch coding courses completely free: Google, LinkedIn Learning, and Codecademy. So buckle up, coding enthusiasts, because things are about to get really interesting. First up, let's talk about Google's crash course on Python. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero in Python, one of the most popular and versatile programming languages out there. And the best part is, it's structured in a way that's super beginner-friendly. The course is broken down into bite-sized lectures, so you're not overwhelmed with information. You've got your lectures, which are like having a personal tutor explain everything. They've got tons of written materials to help you really solidify those coding concepts. And hold on, because it gets even better. They've got practical exercises sprinkled throughout the course. It's like having a coding buddy right there with you, guiding you every step of the way. Once you've conquered this Python powerhouse, you get a shiny certificate of completion from Google itself. That's right, you'll have official proof that you've got the Python skills to impress any recruiter. Imagine being able to automate tasks, analyze data like a pro, or even build your own website or app, all thanks to the power of Python. So, if you're ready to unlock your coding potential, head on over to Google's crash course on Python. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, let's talk about LinkedIn Learning. It's another fantastic platform that's offering. LinkedIn Learning is known for its high-quality courses, and their Becoming a Programmer Foundations course is no exception. This course is like a crash course on all things programming, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. They cover everything from the basics of coding to more advanced concepts, all presented in a clear and engaging way. Forbes recommends exploring LinkedIn Learning, formerly Lynda, for a variety of courses designed to enhance your confidence and workforce skills. The Becoming a Programmer Foundations learning path is an excellent starting point for aspiring software engineers. LinkedIn Learning often offers free courses, and a premium subscription provides unlimited access to all content. Becoming a Programmer Foundations is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of the programming world. The instructors are industry experts who really know their stuff, and they present the information in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're a complete beginner. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to LinkedIn Learning and see if they're offering free access to their premium courses. Now, for our final stop on this free coding extravaganza, let's talk about Codecademy. This platform is a true gem for anyone looking to dip their toes into the vast ocean of coding knowledge. Codecademy is all about making coding accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. And the best part? They offer a ton of free coding courses across a wide range of programming languages and technologies. That means whether you're interested in web development, data science, or even game development, Codecademy has got you covered. Instead of just watching videos or reading text, you're actually writing code from day one. It's like having a coding sandbox where you can experiment and learn by doing. And don't worry if you get stuck, because they've got a supportive community and helpful forums where you can get assistance from other learners and even experienced developers. So whether you're a complete coding newbie or you've dabbled in the past and want to brush up on your skills, Codecademy is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing platforms offering top-notch coding courses completely free of charge. With all these incredible resources at your fingertips, there's no excuse not to dive headfirst into the exciting world of coding. The best part is, you can start learning today without spending a dime. So, what are you waiting for? Start coding today and unlock new career opportunities by clicking the links provided in the description. If you found the content useful, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.